From degrees to radians, we have to remember that halfway around the circle is 180 degrees, and it's also the same thing as pi. So my relationship is going to be 180 degrees equals pi radians, and it just depends on which one I start with, which one I'm going to multiply by on the bottom. If I'm starting with degrees, I want degrees on the bottom so that I can cancel them out. So pi over 180, this is the same thing as 1. So I'm multiplying 40 degrees by the number 1, essentially, which is why it's equivalent. And so if I do this, I get 40 pi over 180. So I can divide them both by 10. And I get 4 pi over 8. And then I can divide them both by 2. And I get, oh, I'm sorry, I can divide them both by 4, can't I? Oh, that should be an 18. Hang on. When I divide it by 10, I get 4 pi over 18. And then I can divide them both by 2. And I get 2 pi over 9. So my answer to that first one is 2 pi over 9. On the second one, I'm starting with 7 pi over 9. And I want to get rid of my, these are in radians now, so I want to put radians down here. So I'm going to put pi radians down here, 180 degrees right here. So my pi's cancel out. And then you can use your calculator to finish this. You can do 7 times 180, and you get 1260 degrees over 9. So I will now divide this number by 9, and I get 140 degrees.